Hello everyone and welcome back to another thrilling episode on our channel, where we dive deep into the most advanced machines that rule the skies. Today, we are exploring one of the most ambitious aerospace projects in the world, a jet that represents national pride, cutting-edge technology, and a leap toward military independence. I'm talking about the KAAN, the next-generation fighter jet designed by TF KAAN to stand shoulder to shoulder with the best aircraft on the planet. Imagine a country long dependent on foreign suppliers for its defense needs, now preparing to unveil a jet that not only competes with but also challenges the dominance of giants like the F-35 and the Su-57. This is not just another fighter aircraft. KAAN is a statement, a declaration by TF KAAN that it is ready to join the elite club of nations capable of designing, building, and operating a fifth-generation fighter jet. Let's begin with what makes KAAN stand out. This aircraft has been built to fulfill multiple roles: air superiority, precision strike, and even electronic warfare. It is TF KAAN's answer to modern threats, blending stealth with raw power. The jet features a sleek aerodynamic design with angled lines that help it evade radar detection. Its radar cross-section has been minimized, making it hard for enemies to lock onto it. Now, stealth is not the only weapon in KAAN's arsenal. The jet is designed to be fast, maneuverable, and deadly accurate. It is equipped with an advanced active electronically scanned array radar, giving it the ability to track multiple targets simultaneously. This radar is said to rival even the systems used by American and Russian fighters. Pilots flying KAAN will have situational awareness that is second to none, allowing them to detect, lock, and neutralize threats before being spotted themselves. Inside the cockpit, everything screams futuristic. A fully digital cockpit interface with helmet-mounted display technology means the pilot is connected to the jet like never before. Every bit of information from radar readings to weapon systems appears seamlessly, reducing workload and improving combat efficiency. It is designed to make the pilot feel like an extension of the aircraft. But what about performance? KAAN is powered initially by twin engines that provide incredible thrust-to-weight ratio, enabling supersonic speeds and high agility. While the first versions may use foreign engines, TF KAAN has ambitious plans to eventually integrate its own indigenous power plant. That means true independence in defense capability, something very few nations can claim. On the weapons front, KAAN is no less impressive. It is expected to carry a wide range of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions. Missiles can be stored inside internal weapon bays, maintaining its stealth profile, while external pylons can be used when stealth is less critical, allowing for maximum firepower. Beyond that, it will also integrate with TF KAAN's own missile systems, giving it a uniquely national edge. Now, let's talk about why KAAN is more than just a military project. This jet is symbolic. For decades, TF KAAN relied heavily on NATO allies, especially the United States, for advanced aircraft, but geopolitical tensions and restrictions on arms transfers made it clear that depending on others comes with limitations. KAAN is TF KAAN's answer to that dilemma, a fighter that ensures no one can dictate the future of its air force. When it comes to comparisons, the KAAN is often placed alongside the American F-35 and the Russian Su-57. Each of these jets brings unique strengths. But what makes KAAN fascinating is that it aims to combine the stealth characteristics of Western fighters with the agility and maneuverability often associated with Russian designs. If TF KAAN succeeds in balancing these traits, KAAN could emerge as one of the most versatile jets in the world. Of course, every groundbreaking project faces challenges. Developing a fifth-generation jet requires massive funding, advanced materials, software integration, and decades of expertise. Critics argue that TF KAAN might struggle to match the maturity of American or Russian technology, but history tells us something important: that TF KAAN has surprised the world before. From drones like Bayraktar TB2 changing the face of modern warfare to naval advancements, TF KAAN has shown resilience, innovation, and determination. Another factor is timing. The first flight of KAAN already marks a milestone, with full-scale production planned for the coming years. Taiwan 4 Türkiye is positioning itself to have a fleet of indigenous fighters by the next decade. This could change the balance of power in the region, giving Taiwan 4 Türkiye a strategic edge and reducing its reliance on imported jets. Think about this for a moment. Only a handful of nations, America, Russia, and China, have successfully developed fifth-generation fighters. If Taiwan 4 Türkiye fully brings KAAN into service, it joins this exclusive club. That alone shows the level of ambition and determination behind this project. The global defense industry is watching closely. Potential buyers from allied nations may also line up in the future, making KAAN not just a tool for national defense but also a strong export opportunity. This would give Taiwan 4 Türkiye an even greater influence in the global arms market. So what does the future hold? KAAN is not just an aircraft, it is a vision of Taiwan 4 Türkiye stepping into a new era of technological independence, military strength, and global recognition. Its journey has just begun. But the message is loud and clear: the skies of tomorrow will not be dominated by the usual players alone. Taiwan 4 Türkiye has entered the arena, and KAAN is its banner in the sky. As we wrap up, one thing becomes certain: whether KAAN becomes a direct rival to the F-35 or the Su-57, or whether it carves out its own identity, this jet is already making history. It is bold, it is ambitious, and it is a sign that Taiwan 4 Türkiye's aerospace dreams are taking flight in the most literal sense. Stay tuned as we continue to track the progress of this remarkable aircraft and bring you closer to the future of aviation technology. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies, because the next big revolution in aerial warfare might just be called KAAN.